So you want to train your brain to make more money, my young Padawan. I have my work cut out for me today. I'm going to show you the most ninja hacks and tricks that I know of to help you get way more money out of this earthly experience just by changing the way that you think.
'Cause we're gonna be legends. What we're doing here ain't just scary. It's about to be legendary.
Do you know how often we fail at something because we never even had a shot? We never had a chance. We had already talked ourselves out of it. We had already convinced ourselves that what we were going after wasn't going to work. We had already been hedging our bets. We create these excuses. We're ready to point the finger and call blame. And the reality is, most of our failure, however, is self-imposed by our thinking that makes it so. The reality is, this brain, this neocortex, is this amazing God-given gift that gives us the ability to call into creation things that we've never done before. But you got to know how to actually fine-tune this antenna to exactly what you want. How do you do that? Well, I'll tell you, if you want to make more money, you first got to get clear that you've got a belief system about money that stinks. Meaning, if you had an average normal childhood, it's going to be filled with beliefs like there's never enough money, it's hard to make money, it takes money to make money, it's difficult, people with money are dishonest. In fact, I led a study, and in a book I published called Limitless, I documented the top 250 limiting beliefs on money, and I'm just going to pull up a couple of them right here. Money is the root of all evil. I don't have enough money. I can't afford it. I can't do what I want because of money. Money cannot buy happiness. Making money is not fun. More money creates more problems. Money doesn't matter. There's not enough money for everyone. Debt is bad. The economy is down. My environment makes me poor. I don't deserve to be wealthy. I'm not worthy of money. People don't see my value. I don't have enough credibility to make more money. Rich people are greedy, selfish, and corrupt. It's bad to be rich. Money poisons and corrupts people. And I could go on and on and on. Bottom line is, there's a mindset that majority of people have about money. Now, you might listen to these beliefs and be like, no, those are bad thoughts. I wouldn't want to believe some of those. But you have to ask yourself, did any of those resonate? Did they ping and you're like, check, yep, I've had that thought before? If you have, then you have been tainted, all right? It's like you've got a virus in the mind, and that financial virus has got to work itself out. Here's the weird thing. It's never going anywhere. You're going to have it your entire life unless you effectively know how to replace it. Now, if you do that, I can, by the end of this video, give you the coolest ninja hack on how to download the most powerful financial mindset of millionaires and billionaires. For that to happen, check this out. Once I understand my limiting beliefs about money, the next thing I need to do is I need to find my new beliefs about money. Limiting beliefs, new beliefs. So in this book, for each one of those statements that I read, there's generally 3, 4, 5, 6 new belief options. And you get to pick the one that really resonates with you the most. So let me just give you an example here. So if someone had the belief, I can't trust money to show up when I need it, then my new beliefs would be, I trust money to show up for me. I ask and seek for the money I need. Money always finds me. I trust myself to show up and produce the result I need. Or let's just say for a moment, your limiting belief was money changes people. Money amplifies the good I do in the world. Money is a magnifier. People choose how they show up. Money allows me to show up with more resources and more opportunities. In other words, you can believe any of these ideas that you want. You can believe it's bad. You can believe it's good. If you believe it's bad, you'll have less of it. If you believe it's good, you'll have more of it. If you believe you'll do more good with more of it, then you're going to alter your perception. So once you understand the limiting beliefs and once you understand the new beliefs, then what we got to do is we got to get these to stick and ultimately boot out these limiting beliefs. How do you do that? I do that with what I call a financial rant. Okay? If you have a list of the new money beliefs, and don't worry, I'll show you in the end how to get my list of financial beliefs. Then what I want you to do is you got to pound them into your psyche. And how you do it is the same way you got the crappy ones in the first place. There you were at the shoe store. You picked a shiny pair of shoes that you were excited for. You brought them to mom. And mom said, we don't got money for that. Your countenance falls and you feel emotional turmoil because you wanted those shoes, but you can't have them. And money is the reason why. And you made a decision. we can't afford it. So that was an emotional experience. That's why it sticks out. That's why it sticks. Spot it, got it. You got a new belief. How can I use the same technology and emotionally warp that into my soul? You're going to do that by actually manufacturing emotion. I do this every day, and so should you. I have a morning routine. I've got a list of the beliefs that I'm working on, and I recite them with power. I recite them with faith, with energy, with certainty that I possess them. Now, at first, it's weird because it's like I actually don't possess them. They're weird to me. They're all opposite of what I've been believing. You got to get over that. You got to turn it into not seeing as believing, but believing is what? Seeing, right? This truth will set you free. You've got to find a way to believe in something for which you have little or no evidence at all if you want to make this your brand new operating system. So financial rant with me, having my sheet, maybe I've got my notes on my piece of paper, or maybe I've typed them out and I'm sitting down and all of a sudden, do you know what I'm reciting? I love my life. Money flows easily and effortlessly to me. And as you're saying this, I want you to grab onto some of your happiest life memories and actually attach them and feel them and relive them. So it could be Christmas morning all over again, or some birthday surprise, or just a random thing that happened that just made your day and it was just an awesome memory. So I'm going to be actually focusing on those amazing memories, and I'm going to be actually feeling the emotion until I can actually conjure up that feeling so potent, so powerful inside of me. Because when I think these words, I love my life. I've practiced that. I've charged myself. So all of a sudden, if I'm in a dark place, I remind myself, I love my life, and boom, it just amps me up. Okay, it's this by choice that you manufacture these feelings and you practice them. So you take these weird ideas that you know are good for you that you don't believe, and you link them to everything positive and wonderful in your life, and you feel it until you can really bring that emotion in, and you're not done until you feel it. Now, I know some of you are a little uncomfortable, like, oh, touchy-feely, Kris. I'm like, dude, get over it. Emotions are the most important intelligence on this planet. They're the power by which you either get off your butt and do something or not. Emotions, if you can tap into your emotions, they will create the motion, the activity, the behavior, and the success that you want in life. And that, my friend, is how you reprogram your financial beliefs. So when you get this book for free, it's actually a gift from me to you. Just do me a favor and cover the shipping on it. But actually, this is coming out your way. And when you get it, what I want you to do is, yes, read it, but I want you to skip to the very back where we have about 20 pages of all of your beliefs here regarding money, relationships, health, and personal power. Everything in life, all 10,000 top beliefs factor into those 4 areas. And we've got it all laid out, all organized, and all you need to do is highlight all the new beliefs, go through this exercise and routine, and I'm telling you that literally within a week, your mind will start perceiving opportunities. Because when you tell yourself you're a millionaire, that's the faith to become a millionaire. When you start telling yourself that that the resources are available, all of a sudden you find a deal, and guess what? The money's available to make the deal happen. You're like, how'd that happen? I created permission in my perception to see the money that was always available that I wasn't allowing in because I had a limiting belief that there wasn't enough, or that it took money to make money, or that I had to have the money. None of which is actually true. This is your opportunity to choose your own adventure. This book is a free gift from me to you, and it will help you reformat your financial mind to create the resources that you want in your life. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was useful for you. If it was, subscribe. Share this with someone that needs a little bit of a financial upgrade. Pop that on social media. I always appreciate that. And maybe I'll get a chance to see you at one of my life-changing 4-day events. We've got one coming up shortly at my brand new event center. And I'm going to tell you right now, my events, they are life-changing. In fact, I guarantee that. I've never had anyone balk at that. In fact, they've always come through and had a tremendous experience that they classified as life-changing. And it might be your opportunity to take the little bit I'm giving you right here and say, you know what? What would 4 days of that be like? Your life will never be the same again. I hope to see you there. Get your free book. We'll see you soon.